Welcome back to another episode of AUMcuisine. We are juicing and it's springtime. I have Sarita here, and without her, me and the juicer are not really very friendly. But I'm going to be sharing with you this immune bliss recipe. I love this recipe because when you are traveling around the world, you want your immunity to be on point. So let's say that you're leaving for a trip in 10 days. Every single day in the morning, have a glass of this and you're going to be having a really blissful, immune-filled, great trip. So here we go. Before your summer travels, let's get ready in the springtime. So we're getting started. We'll start with a little bit of celery. So the good thing is when you have celery in your system, things are clean, the bloating is gone, the digestion is optimal. And then we're going to throw in some cilantro. So what I like about cilantro, almost like its cousin the parsley, is really good for your blood. Purifies the blood and creates a certain cheeriness in you. So I'm going to be putting in some parsley now, which really cleans your bloodstream. You don't want to put too much parsley. It could be really bad for your kidneys. So you're going to be throwing in some kiwi fruit. So the good thing about kiwi fruit is that they are packed and loaded with antioxidants and with vitamin C. And of course you'll find a lot of articles all over the internet that it has way more vitamin C, is way more potent than an orange. So here we go. There is the ginger, and the ginger is going to be responsible for a lot of anti-inflammatory action. And you don't want aches and pains when you're traveling, do you? So there you go, lots and lots of lovely ginger. They always say this, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm not just going to be putting one apple in, I'm going to be putting in a couple. So I'm always asked, what are my favorite apples? To tell you the truth, I'm a big fan of the red apple. I don't like Granny Smith. I like Granny Smiths to cook with, put it in salads, but really the juicing part, I'm going to be going with my favorite, which are red apples. I love Pink Lady. I do like, the red gala apple. So it just really depends. But I really do like a few apples, and we get plenty of apples in California. And you're not too far from the apple state of Washington. And of course, when we say immunity and vitamin C, it's the good old orange. So I'm just going to be using one orange. I like the sweetness of it, and of course it has a lot of vitamin C. And nothing is complete without the alkalizer supreme, the lemon. So I'm going to be putting that in. And then I'm going to be putting passion fruit right through. That has about 3 passion fruits. That's an optional ingredient, but I just love the perfume of passion fruit, and it's just completely delicious. Welcome back, and here I have some turmeric. Fabulous. It's really the golden spice. I'm going to be putting that in the base and pouring this amazing drink through. See, the thing is, whenever you put in some greens in it, right, if you're going to be putting in your parsley and your cilantro, the chlorophyll is going to come through. It's going to look green. But the whole idea is that if you can get past the visual aspect of the green, this is good. It keeps you evergreen, so to me, it's fabulous. It has a lot of the ginger. I can feel it working in my GI tract already. It's very good in the back of the throat. It has enough sweetness from the apples, the oranges, the passion fruit, and what have you. Lovely. This is a juice I highly recommend for all of you. Remember that when we are healthy, we travel better, and we learn more and enhance our life in a much more beautiful and prolific way. To your wonderful travels and keeping clean in the springtime. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that I can bring to you a lot of recipes right here on AUMcuisine.